Welcome to NPS. Let's take a look at the national certification process. Start by selecting the field that you need to become certified in. Then complete our quick and easy registration form and submit your payment. Your registration comes with a study guide and unlimited practice exams. You'll also receive 3 certification exam attempts without any retake fees. Certified members receive access to job placement assistance, as well as our completely free professional resume builder. A digital version of your certification and ID badge are forever stored in your NPS account. And you'll receive your certification exactly 1 hour after passing your certification exam. You'll immediately gain access to your certification materials. The materials are designed in a way that is easy to follow from start to finish. Simply complete each tile in order until you have passed your certification exam and earned your certification. Each tile will contain a detailed video in the Start Here section. These videos will make sure that you know how to use each section of your materials to their full potential. Once you've passed your certification exam, you have the ability to access your certification. Instantly add your credential to your LinkedIn profile. Begin earning NPS rewards and leaving a review to tell others about your certification experience. The digital copy of your certification is available in your account 1 hour after you've passed the certification exam. Your certification can then be downloaded, printed, and verified in the National Registry. Anyone can verify your certification by scanning its QR code or by using the certification number in the NPS verification portal. Once you've earned your certification, you will also receive access to other benefits, such as our free resume builder and job placement assistance. Hear what real users have to say about their experience with NPS.
I did the EKG certification program through the NPS platform, and it was so user-friendly.
I like to say thank you to all the founders of NPS. Y'all did an amazing job with the platform, with getting everybody and everyone certified. I mean, I would give it a 10 out of 10.
The experience I had with NPS has been nothing but amazing. The customer service was a 10 out of 10.
I'm a medical assistant, and I had a great time using the NPS platform. It's dynamic and engaging. I encourage others in the field to do so as well.
My experience using the platform was absolutely amazing. It is self-explanatory, very easy to follow along.
This platform was amazing. It was easy to use.
My overall experience with NPS platform was amazing. It was really easy to navigate through the system. I literally told all my friends and all my family about it.
My experience using the NPS platform has been astonishing.
I had a very positive experience using the NPS platform. It allowed me flexibility to access the course at any time and to do it at my own pace. In the future, I'm going to recommend NPS to all my colleagues and friends.
NPS certification site was very easy. My experience was lovely with it. It was very easy, very easily accessible. If I had any issues, all I would have to do was contact support, and support would be right there to help me. So my experience with the NPS certification site was great.
I just want to share with you about my experience with NPS. Outstanding. The layout of the information is easy, and the visual aid enhanced my experience with NPS. One of the best online programs that I've came across in a long time.
The program was very easy to use as far as their website.
NPS, the experience I've had with NPS so far has been amazing. Their customer service is great. And again, 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
We're excited to help you achieve your professional goals. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please contact us today.
Would I recommend NPS to others for national certification? Heck yes, I would.